Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I will show you how I created this dramatic photo manipulation in Photoshop. And if you are new into my channel, please do like and subscribe for more updates for my upcoming videos. Okay, cool, let's start with our video. So these are the two backgrounds we are going to use for our photo manipulation. So we'll mix this background with this one. Try to scale it around like here. Now go to the blending options and we'll mix it. Press Alt and left click so it mixes with our second background. Press OK. Now create a mask on it. Select the brush tool. Set the opacity to 80% or and just remove those areas that you don't like. So it looks more dramatic. Now we'll try to match this background with this one, this color matching. So go to the new adjustment layer, create a hue saturation new adjustment layer and right click on it, create clipping mask and try to, yes. Now we will select this part of area. Now select the quick selection tool and we'll select this fill area. I think it's not selected. Okay, so Control C, Control V to paste it. So why we are selecting this part? Because we want the light source coming from this area and we'll dark this part of the area. So go to the new adjustment layer and select the brightness and contrast. Right click on it, create clipping mask. Now we'll reduce the brightness. It's looking fine. And we'll create another adjustment layer, that is a color balance, and we'll match the color tone. Now we will add our light source. For that we will add a new adjustment layer, that is a gradient, and from the color we'll select the white one. Yes, press OK and set the lighting direction from right, it's coming from right there. Yeah, press OK and little bit just, yeah, press OK and set the blending mode to soft light. Okay, so now we'll add another adjustment layer, that is photo filter. Where is it? Yeah, that's it. And set it to cooling filter, and we'll add another adjustment layer, that is a color balance. Set it to shadows and just little bit, not too much. Okay, it's looking absolutely fine now. Okay, now our background is over, so now we are moving to our foreground element. So I have created a 1-point perspective to set our foreground elements. So let's start with our first one and we'll drag it down here and we'll place it according to our 1 point perspective. So select it to transform it and right click on it, perspective, and we'll try to match according to that, right? Sorry, once again, Control T to transform it and right click on it, perspective, and yes, yep, it's looking good now. Now we'll place another one. Just place it going to so a little bit of up and down to create the depth. Goals, yeah. Now we'll scale the element a little bit, not too much, a little bit. Okay, so now again we'll use another adjustment layer, that is selective color, and we'll tune up to make it look more cinematic. And next we are going to add a few effects in our scene, like this one and another one. So this one is coming from here. It's kind of storytelling, right? So it inspires me a lot from Hollywood movies and gamings. And next we are going to add another adjustment layer, that is gradient map. So go to the photographic toning, okay, and we'll select this one, go to the color, set the opacity to 20%. So it gives a feel of so cinematic, Hollywood movies, something like that. A new layer, select the brush tool and pick the color from here. I think what's happening. Yep. Color dodge and color dodge. Now create another layer and select this white, and we'll just paint on the wings a little bit of glow. to screen and set the opacity a little bit of down, so it's a little far away, down, so it's a little far away. Yes, it's looking fabulous. Now we are going to add a sun coming from the light source. So it depends on what you're creating. It doesn't mean you have to create or you have to push on that. So I'm just trying to make out the field. And we'll create a color lookup, set it to night from day and set it to color, soft light. Yes, now create a new layer, press Ctrl Shift Alt and E and merge all down the layers, and Ctrl T to transform it. Right click on it, flip horizontal. Yep, it's looking absolutely awesome. So here is our final output. If you like the photo manipulation, please do like and subscribe for more updates for my upcoming tutorials. Happy photoshopping.